guys, today we're playing this game I found. It's called RoVille. I'll show it to you right here. Hold up while I try to pull up. Why did I open my profile? Oh well. Here. I'll show you guys the game. Wait for this PC to load, I suppose. So anyways, RoVille, it's like Bloxburg, by the way. And it's really cool, I will admit. And I mean, it's not completely like Bloxburg. Back then, it's like 50 Robux. It was slightly better than Bloxburg. So, Bloxburg, you have a new competitor. So say hello. Anyway, now okay, yeah, this is taking way too long. So, screw it. Yeah, we're screwing it. Why are you jumping on me, friend? Why? Also, I want to show you something cool. Well, it's not really cool, but more like involves death, I suppose. But I mean, also, by the way, this is my house. It's you're gonna have a similar house when you start the game, but the only thing is I've edited my house, and it's a work in progress. I don't have a door to my garage, but look at me. I'm broke. Look at me. So it's like a role play. So in case I ever have kids, this is their room. And as for me, this me room. So I'm gonna have to, and this wall here needs to be like worked on. So we'll just wait on that. Zuzu, why are you watching the news? What's the news? Stonks, get out of here. Alright, now I want to show you something. More like something that involves death, I suppose. Not really, no blood, nothing like that. But look at this. I can like test subject. You stay on the road. And also, guys, you can drift if you don't know. That's why it's a cool game. Wait, what is wrong with my car? I never put any body kit. Ah, Zuzu, get over here! Ah! No, really, please, Zuzu, you're my test subject. Get over here. Test subject! Oh well, but anyways, you can actually run people over. That's why this game is so cool. So also, I'm broke CC, so I might as well get a job. So I'm just gonna head over to one of them jobs over there. And first, I mean, yeah, I want to put first. I mean, to me, and my strategy is park up at the place I want to start my job. Then from there, select the job. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna do the ice cream shop, because why not? Everyone loves ice cream. Who doesn't? And if you don't love ice cream, then, well, you're weird. Just kidding, you ain't. So anyway, I'm gonna go here, select my job as no police, Frozen Chills. Yeah, Frozen Chills. I work at Frozen Chills. Also, it does like this transition thing, which is so cool. But yeah, anyway. Alright, first order. You will be given the order. Take that. And yeah, I've been playing this for a bit, and you get quite a lot when doing this job. So I like this job, honestly. I mean, it's a bit of work, but you get lots of money for it. So, and okay, yeah. Friend Zuzu just informed me that saying you can't really see because I actually know this person. They're at my house, and she just informed me that we're out of groceries, so that's a bad thing. How am I supposed to eat? Wait, what? When did I get 3? Oh well. There we go. This. Quit jumping, Zuzu. Like, why are you jumping at my desk? Please, stop. Okay, yeah, it's getting like really of a pain, so just ignore her, I guess. Yeah, she's totally got withdrawal symptoms. No lie. Also, if you don't know what withdrawal symptoms, it's basically like going crazy, for example. So, yeah. And Susie just banged me on the head, like, why? Why you bullied me? Oh well. Ding, ding. Alright, so anyway. Now, I'm just gonna finish my job. I just want that money, not give me gimme. Alright, now that I have some money, you know what I'm gonna do with it? Like Zuzu said, we need groceries, so just go get that. Also, guys, if you don't know how to, like, this is some question for new players. Like, they have no idea how to let other people in the family. You can't actually have a family in this game, but in roleplay, yes, you may. Now, to let them interact with your... Oh, crap, I'm tired. To let them interact with your things, you have to whitelist them by just clicking on the player. Then it's going to give you an option to whitelist. From there, just whitelist, I suppose. 20 groceries. Thank you. I'm sleepy. Do you have any sleep medicine? Man, okay, might as well buy some little sleep medicine. Yeah. Z. But, yeah. I'm gonna catch a little Z's, I suppose. Ah! We gotta go! Zuzu's hungry, and I'm sleepy. Whoa, I'm too sleepy! I'm too sleepy to drive! This is going way out of control! Where did my house go? Oh, there it is. I'm too sleepy. I don't know what's up, alright? I'm way too sleepy. And I suppose I just just whitelist him, Zuzu. Anyway, yes, you may. She was asking whether she could invite to the fam. Alright, this is just a work area, I don't know, for the kids, I suppose. Me is gonna head to bed, I suppose. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys once I catch a little Z's and get my bar up. Okay, update. This takes so long to sleep. It takes so long. Okay, my mood's somewhat better, but I'm hungry. I got the sandwich though, so eats. Also, I also made a sandwich for Zuzu. In other words, for now in this roleplay, she's probably gonna be my kid, I suppose. Yeah. Oh well, yeah, she's a teen, but yeah. All right, now a bit there because I'm using Bandicam, and Bandicam being a bit of a pain. Wait, what? Yeah, something's going wrong. Something is wrong with my mouse. It's stuck. It was stuck in right click, but oh well. Build mode. So yeah, tell me if you want me to add a second floor, but that means lots of remodeling. Oh, also tell me if you think I should add a backyard. I think I should, honestly. But yeah, that should be that. But also, I want to explain maybe. You know what? Straightforward. I'm just gonna work on a backyard, I suppose. As for now, so it's gonna start like somewhere here. Let's say. Yeah, it's gonna start there. Whoa. X, delete, there we go, floor. Now, I'm gonna do here, whoa, again, whoa. Yeah, this is taking forever, but oh well. Okay, yeah, this is annoying. Why am I so bad at mouse clicking? Yeah, I'm so bad. By clicking F, by the way, if you don't know. And yeah, so next thing I want to add is a little bit of well, we want to add wood, obviously. So let's say copy paste. Yeah, I'm just gonna do copy in there. Alright, apply this. Heard of VG? If you haven't heard of VG, he's like he's a jailbreak player. But onwards to the game, I suppose. This me kitchen. So no surprise about that. But yeah, okay. Should I add a window? Actually, yeah, I should. Oh, okay. They are expensive. These windows are very expensive. And, okay. Oh, yeah. Appears I'm broke. So we'll go back to my job sooner or later. But, you know what? Yeah, finish. I'll work on that later. In the meantime, me need to go to work. Zuzu, look. I'm broke, alright? I'm broke. KKK, come on, come in. So, I can't actually include her voice, but I will explain what she was saying. Like, you should see that in like I think you know what I mean. Also, I'm going the wrong way. Either I'm sleepy again or I DK. Oh well. Okay, yeah, now I'm tired. I don't like the sound of that. Oh well. Alright, we don't need no more groceries, okay? We just want to go get a job at ice cream shop. I mean, you could obviously teleport to the ice cream shop, but I just want to, like, no, not yet. Not yet, Zuzu! Oh. Ooh. That's a rip. There goes my, oh yeah. Okay, how do I fix this? V to flip it? No, that makes matter. Oh, no it doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna park it, I'll park it outside. Right there. So, continue onwards to the job, I suppose. Grab a cone here. Alright, chocolate, yay. You want a chocolate? Sure. Oh wait, what? I don't suck at my job. Okay? I don't suck at my job. You guys don't even have a job, you teens. You old teens. I mean, you young teens. But this. Oh, okay. Yeah, I will get a bunch of money out of this. Well, some people it's not much, but to me it will be a lot. Alright, you want that too? Okay. Keep your thing. Okay, yeah, once I'm gonna get like 400 out of my job, I am taking Z's. Me is needing of the Z's, and then I guess I pause the recording again, I suppose, but yeah, so I mean, honestly, also guys, I want to tell you guys a little something. Notice at that time, what? Oh my goodness. Zuzu stole my customer. Why my customer? Yeah, thanks. There you go. You're welcome. Also, it doesn't matter about the order on how you serve it specifically. Back then, let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm so sleepy. I didn't even grab a cone. I just thought, alright, I guess I can serve it perfectly A-okay. Alright, I just want to, let's see. I want a 500. I realized, alright, yeah, I see. Okay, finished job. Alright, Zuzu, we're leaving. Let's go. Come on, Zuzu! Oh my goodness. Okay, Zuzu, I'm giving you 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not yet. Right now, I need Z's. Alright. Dumps. Alright, you go to a grocery stop. See you later. I'll come back. Okay? Oh well. Whoa, I'm miserable. I can't drive. I forgot. Just kidding. But I'm Z, please. Me need them Z's. Okay, I think I'm about to start sleeping in the car. But okay. So, alright guys. So, anyways, that's gonna be the end of our video. I'm sorry about that, but this video is getting a bit, like, long. So, I'll see you, like, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, leave a like. For more RoVille videos, tell me in the comments below. For more vids, subscribe to my channel, obviously. When did I turn on the TV? But, oh well. And to be notified when I upload a new video, hit that notification bell. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on. Peace out.